Hello there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how you can change language on ChaseApp. In this video, I'll show you how you can do it very easily. Actually, there are no option to change the language on ChaseApp. So you can change language from the ChaseApp. So what you have to do, you need to change your device language. For this, open the settings section from your device. After opening settings, then scroll down and look for general setting, then tap on it. Then from here look for language and region, then tap on it. Then you will see your preferred languages here. If you want to change your language, then select add language, then select your preferred language, and that's how you can change language on your device, and it will be changed for ChaseApp also. So that's it. That's how you can change language on ChaseApp. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like.